Good morning students. In this video we will understand the importance of computer languages and we will discuss about machine language. Children, language is very important part of our life. We humans, not only humans, animals, even the plants use a type of language to communicate with each other. We use Hindi language, we use English language. In different countries, different languages are used. In our country, we use regional languages also like Rajasthani, Marathi, Uriya, like that. So, to express our views, to give some information to each other, we use a language. So language is very important in our life. Just like that, children, in computer world, if you want to communicate with computer, we need different types of computer languages. As computer is a electronic machine, it cannot do anything itself. We have to give instructions to the computer, that we all know. So how we give the instructions? We give instructions to the computer with the help of computer language. We can say that with the help of computer language we communicate with computer. हम computer language की help से computer को instructions देते हैं. As you can see in the picture, Java, C, Python, Fortran, Basic, these are examples of computer languages. And children, every computer language has its own syntax. Syntax means how to write a instruction in a language. These are different for different language. The instruction we write in C is different. The instructions we write in Python is different. The instructions we write in Basic is different. So the way we write is called the syntax. इसको हम syntax कहते हैं. And children, we write the instructions in computer language in the form of programs. It means we create a programs, we run the programs, and through the programs we just control the hardware components of a computer system. It means with the help of programs we communicate with computer. Children, basically there are three types of languages are popular, like machine language, assembly language and high level languages. As I told you, each language has its own rules known as a syntax, and the instructions we write is known as a statements or commands, and group of statements or commands form a program, and group of programs combined known as a software. Children, computer languages are broadly divided into two categories: low level languages and high level languages. In low level languages, assembly language and machine language comes, and high level languages are various types of languages. As you can see in the picture, hardware means internally computer system. Children, computer system is only understand one language, that is machine language, and assembly language used assembler to translate the program in machine language, and high level languages use compiler or interpreter to convert the program into machine language. Translators are the program that translates the instructions from one language to another language. Low level languages. What is the specialty of low level language? Children, as I told you, machine language and assembly languages are low level language, means they are closest to the hardware. They are hardware dependent. Program written in low language are machine dependent. If we have written a program on computer number 1, and if we try to run on a computer number 2 or 3, it will create errors because the program is dependent to the computer number 1 hardware. And machine language and assembly language both are comes in the category of low level languages. Their execution is fast than the high level languages. इनका execution fast होता है. Now we will discuss about the most important language for computer, that is machine language. As you can see picture, children, machine language is consists only two digits, 0 and 1. Everything we write in the form of 0 and 1, and it is a first language developed in with the first generation computers for programming. It also known as a binary language. It is directly understandable by computer, so its execution is very much fast. Whatever the program instructions we give in machine language, computer executes it fast because computer does not require any translator. For example, children, if a person is talking to us in Hindi and if we know Hindi, we can quickly understand Hindi. अगर कोई हमसे हिंदी में बात कर रहा है और हमें हिंदी लैंग्वेज आती है तो हम उसको समझ सकते हैं. बट इफ़ अ पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग इन चाइनीज़ एंड वी डोंट नो चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज, देन वी नीड अ मीडिएटर, अ पर्सन who will translate the Chinese statements in our language in Hindi, and then we understand. So machine language does not require a translator. It is directly executable by the computer system. Now children, we will discuss some advantages and disadvantages. First, we will discuss advantages of machine language. Children, machine language executes very fast because computer understands 0 and 1. It requires no translator to translate the codes. It is directly understood by the computer. Now we will discuss some disadvantages of machine language. Children, machine language is easy for computer, but it is very much difficult for a programmer because every instructions we have to learn. It is also the data stored in memory, so memory locations are very difficult to learn, and suppose if we find any mistake in the program, then it is also difficult to find the actual place, the actual statement where the mistake is there. Also, if you want to modify the program, it is very difficult for programmer to modify it. It is very difficult to learn, understand the machine language. But more thing is there, children, it is machine dependent. It means if we have written a program for computer number 1, we cannot run the program on other computers. If we want the same program on computer number 2, we have to again make modification, or we have to write a new program for computer number 2. So same program we have to write again and again if we are running on different computers. अगर हम एक ही प्रोग्राम को डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स पे रन कर रहे हैं तो हमें उसको अगेन एंड अगेन लिखना पड़ेगा या मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. So children, these are some advantages and disadvantages of machine language. Thank you.